4x squared subtract 7xy plus 9y squared is a trinomial. I have a string of 3 monomials, so since I have 3 terms, therefore a trinomial, connected with pluses and minuses. (8x cubed subtract 7x squared plus 9x subtract 3 is a polynomial having 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So a polynomial is a string of monomials connected with plus and minus signs. I have 4 such monomials, so therefore I have 4 terms in the polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the same as the degree of its highest term. Look at an example. 8x squared y to the 4th minus 3x to the 4th y cubed plus 8xy plus 2 has how many terms and a degree of what? I want you to think about it just a moment. How many terms do we have in this polynomial? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 terms, and the degree is going to be the same as the degree of the highest term. Find the degree of the terms. I add the exponents. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. And this one has the degree of 0. So the degree of the whole polynomial is going to be 7, because 7 is the degree of the highest term. Now I'm going to give you some exercises so you can check your understanding. Don't stop the tape for these exercises because you should be able to answer them very quickly. Just let it run and go ahead and answer them. After I've given you time to answer the questions, I will then give you the answers. Complete the table. We've got the monomial, the numerical coefficient, and the degree. So I want you to give me the numerical coefficient and the degree of 2x to the 4th y. I want the numerical coefficient and the degree of 3. The numerical coefficient and the degree of negative 8x squared y to the 10th. The next one is a, and the last one is a negative 1 2/10 a cubed b. I'm going to give you about 20 seconds to write down the numerical coefficient and the degree for each of the problems, and then I'll give you the answers. The numerical coefficient for the first one is 2. The degree is 5. Understood to be 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. For the second one, the numerical coefficient is 3. The degree is 0, because there is really no variable term. so it's understood to be something to the 0 power. For the next one, the numerical coefficient is a -8. The degree is 12. 2 plus 10 is 12. For the next one, the numerical coefficient is 1. The degree is 1, because I can write it as 1a to the first. For the last one, the numerical coefficient is a -1 2/10. The degree is 4. Here's your second exercise. In this exercise, I also want you to complete the table, but in this case, I'm giving you a polynomial. I want you to give me the number of terms and the degree. The first polynomial, 2x squared, subtract 3x plus 1. The second polynomial, 8xy, subtract 7. The third polynomial, ax, subtract by, plus c, subtract 3. And the last one, 7x squared, y to the 8th, subtract 4, x to the 5th, y. And we'll give you about 30 seconds to write the answers, and then I will give you the answers so you can check yourself. For the first one, the number of terms is 3. The degree is 2, because the degree is going to be the same as the degree of the highest term. This term has degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. So the degree of the polynomial is 2. For the second one, we have 2 terms. The degree is 2. The first term has degree 2 because I add the exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. This term has degree 0. The third one has 4 terms. Again, the degree is 2. Add the exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 is 0. So degree 2, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. So the highest degree is 2. The last one has 2 terms. Degree 10. 8 and 2 is 10. 5 and 1 is 6. The higher would be 10. Now let's look at how to add and subtract polynomials. To add polynomials, one simply combines like terms. To add polynomials, one simply combines like terms. Example, let's consider 2x squared, subtract 4xy plus 3y squared plus x squared, subtract 2xy, subtract y squared.